Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 400, or according to exponential formula a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So applying this formula we can write here 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 1 is equal to 400, or 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 1, that means 4 is equal to 400. Or now dividing both sides by 4 we can write here 4 to the power x times 4 over 4 is equal to 400 over 4. Or now this 4 cancel out this 4, so left side we will get 4 to the power x is equal to, here we will get 100. Or now this 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power x is equal to 100. Or again applying another exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we can write here 2 to the power 2x is equal to 100. Or now taking log to both sides we can write here log of 2 to the power 2x is equal to log of 100. Or applying formula log of a to the power m is equal to m times log of a. So we can write here 2x times log of 2 is equal to log of 100 can be written as 10 square. Or 2x times log of 2 is equal to this 2 move here, so we can write 2 times log of 10. Or 2x times log of 2 is equal to 2 times, we know log of 10 is equal to 1, so we can write here 1. Or now divided both sides by 2 times log of 2 we can write here 2x times log of 2 over 2 times log of 2 is equal to, here 2 times 1 is 2, so we can write here 2 over 2 times log of 2. Now this 2 cancel out this 2 and this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so here we will get x is equal to this 2 divided by this 2, so here we will get 1 over log of 2. So this is the solution of formula x is equal to 1 over log of 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.